Hello everyone, Chris Collins here from the SCSeTools support. We're going to be taking a look at the SCS MobileTools application WDT feature. More specifically, how to upload flare data from the Yokogawa using the WDT feature within SCS MobileTools to upload that data to SCSeTools. So the first thing you're going to want to do to get the data from the Yokogawa into SCSeTools is to pull the memory card out of the Yokogawa itself and to hook it up to the memory card reader that was provided to you and hook the memory card reader up to your mobile device. Once everything has been hooked up, you log into SCS MobileTools using your SCSeTools credentials. We'll go ahead and select WDT feature here. Once WDT is selected, we have the option here at the top that says Get Data. We'll go ahead and select that. Once you select on Get Data, for this demo we are using some demo data that's actually stored on the device, but using the memory card reader, typically they show up as no name, but you'll see a little memory card reader icon in the app there. We can go ahead and select that, and once you actually open that up, you should see all of these files that are stored on the card. Once we have all the files are displayed, we'll go ahead and click Select. Once selected, we have the options of pulling up various date ranges. We have the last 30 days, 60 days, 90, 120, and all. All obviously would be everything that's on the card. If you're out there every month, it is highly recommended that you either select the last 30 days or the last 60. If you select all and you have several years worth of data, which we have ran into in the past, sometimes it'll actually lock the application up due to the amount of data there. And there's no need to resend that data because it won't actually duplicate. However, it does take that much longer to process and to send everything over to, which means it's going to take that much longer for this data to get from your phone and into SCSeTools as well. So again, if you're out there every month, we highly recommend just selecting the last 30 days or the last 60 days. First time on site, by all means, go ahead and click All. We'll go ahead and choose the last 30 days. And it'll go ahead and look at the files that we have stored on the device. And it'll assign the landfill that is the closest to where our general location is right now. So by default, you can see here in the name, it's SCS Engineers, which is the way the site's set up. We have the eTools landfill, which is the name of the landfill that is the closest to my actual location. And then my account that I have logged in, and then there's a date stamp there as well. So this pulls this off and gets it onto your mobile device itself. You still need to upload this into SCSeTools. In order to upload, we'll go ahead and select this. We can choose to upload as long as the landfill's name and everything is correct here. As you can see, it's the eTools landfill. If by some reason maybe you don't have access to internet, maybe you don't have a good cell phone connection, there's no Wi-Fi or anything like that at the site, you can go ahead and select on Change Site, and then you can choose the correct landfill from the list. It'll show the distance by where you're actually located at currently, so we can see which one is closest to us is actually listed on the top, and then it goes down in order there. I'll go ahead and select the eTools landfill, and then choose Upload. It'll go ahead and process that data, as you can see by the bar moving there. Once everything gets uploaded into eTools, it'll say that the file is uploaded successfully. We can go ahead and click on OK. And you can see that this actually changed over to green background here. If there is an error with it, it will not change to green, letting you know that that data could not be uploaded for whatever reason. But if everything's green, it has been sent to eTools, it's been verified that all of that information has been uploaded. You can go ahead and remove that from your mobile device at this time. So we can go ahead and we can swipe to the left here. If there was an error, we can re-upload right here. You see the little arrow icon. And then there's also the deleted one here on the right with the little trash can. I'll go ahead and select with the trash can. Confirmation, we're sure we want to delete it. I'm going to confirm. This does not delete it from your memory card, so make note of that. This only wipes off the data off of your mobile device itself. In order to remove it from the memory card, if you need to, contact SCSeTools support and we'd be more than happy to walk you through that. But typically, if you're going to keep everything on the card, we just need the last 30 days worth of data from everything from the last time you were out at the site. And then that way we can go ahead and reprocess all of that. This data is available for download in the document gallery under the Flow Data WDT folder. It takes approximately 5 minutes sometimes for that data to actually populate there, but you'll be able to pull all of that raw data up from there. As far as processing for like the reports and the graphs and all of that within SCSeTools, sometimes that can take a couple days before it gets done. Typically it's done within 72 hours, but there is some manual processing on the back end that we have to do with that file just to ensure that it ends up with the correct site, that sort of thing. If If you have any questions about this video or any video that we have made in the past, or if you just have general support questions, you can email us at support@SCSeTools.com. Our phone number is 866-612-6820, and our hours of operation is 8 o'clock Eastern Time to 5 o'clock Pacific, Monday through Friday. Thanks, everyone. Have a great day.